Hi everyone, welcome to Data Server. My name is Taiwo. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to use DAX, which is literally translate to Data Analysis Expression, the official coding for Power BI, to add dynamic reading to your Power BI report based on the time of the day. Not to waste too much of your time, I'm going to go to the next slide to show you the DAX code. As you can see from the screen, data analysis expression DAX code. This is the code that we're going to use to achieve this particular aim, to add the dynamic greeting to your Power BI report. Greeting of the day is the code name. Variable hour is the hour that store the hour of the day. And the variable greeting is the variable that store the greeting, and the switch through and also return are the special function that will enable us to achieve this code. So as you can see, based on the time of the day and the condition we specify. So let me show you the already designed one so that you can understand how this particular application works. So I will showcase how to use it. As you can see as of 11:54, that's the time I refreshed this particular report last, and it's because it's less than 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It's showing good money. I'm going to show you my local time. If I click my local time, you can see the time is 14:49, which is afternoon. So just to demonstrate this code is working, I'm going to click my refresh button. You can see it's refreshing automatically. This particular good morning will change to good afternoon. Let's see, it's still loading and it's going to automatically change. As you can see, automatically change to good afternoon. So basically what I need to do is just to show you how to do the same thing. So I'm going to add my blank code. So to show you how to do it, it's going to load now. It's loading. There you go, this is my blank code. So what I need to do, the first thing to do is to create a new measure. And to create a new measure, we're going to create our measure on table OneDrive. If I click here, new measure, I click on the table OneDrive, which is the table I want to use. This is our measure. I'm going to add the code just to save us time. So this is the code I explained initially. Variable hour, store hour, variable greeting, store greeting. The switch command and true will enable us to switch based on the time of the day, and the return function will return based on the greeting that we declare in the variable. So I will click commit the mark sign to accept the code. So the next thing to do, I can easily, because we're going to use card, and I want the same format for this card. So all I need to do is to duplicate this card. Control C, Control V. I'll duplicate the card. I'm going to position the card at the top, just to achieve similar to what we saw initially in the sample we present earlier on. So the next thing to do is to remove the refresh last date option, which I've done, and this turn to blank, and I will come to my newly added code, which is greeting of the day. You can see. So now for me to change the default so that I can differentiate from the other one, I can go to the general, I go to effects, and I'll go to the border. I just want to change the border to red to differentiate it from the rest. There you go. I can increase the size to 6 to the board, and also I can come to the visual and change the font size to Sego bold, and I make it size 32. That's it. You can see this is a good afternoon. This is all you need to do. The code is ready, it's done. So sky is limit. Come for more tutorial. This is how to do it. So if I click refresh, it's going to still show us good afternoon. So there you go. This is all how to do it, just to be a professional, to show time of the day as a dynamic greeting on your report. Stabilize. You can see good afternoon. So that's the end of the tutorial. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I remain your style. Stay blessed. Thank you for watching.